Hey, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. You guys already know we at Comic Con. It's the J Boys. I'm here with Boss Kimi.
You know what it the vibes, guys. Let's go.
But anyways, guys, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to like, share, comment, and sub. So just to start us off, we have Otaku who's always here. We'll see what goes for what here. But gonna enjoy the moment. Please enjoy the clips here, and yeah, let's
Check,
get
I need
started.
a bank. I wear my Ben Frank. Spet clear. Zen de crank. Tengo más pal. No, hulo man. Fuck a check, I need a bank.
Alright, so boys, we're out here at Comic Con, and we have this guy right here.
How's it, man?
He's a legend. Boys, he's a legend. When I say he's a legend, he gave us literally a free video, boys. So if you don't mind shouting out your socials here.
So my name is Phoenix Media. You can catch us on Instagram and TikTok.
Same name.
Same name, Phoenix Media.
Hey, listen, boys, check him out. Does great work, and let's get it.